Yesterday, we talked about the shortage of restaurant workers and how that's raising the cost of your meals. Well, today, we're talking about a specific change some businesses are making, trying to retain or attract more workers and help drag them out of this shortage. We introduced you to Boomer Godsill yesterday, the owner of Godsill Company, which runs the Sunrise Cafe, among other local restaurants. He says in order to hire good employees or any employees, it's about more than just the wage. It's about making sure workers feel appreciated and have opportunities, and allowing folks to figuratively buy into the business by allowing them to sometimes literally buy into the business.
One of the biggest things that we've got planned in the next couple of years, 2 to 3 years, is we're going to turn the Sunrise Cafe over to our employees and make it an employee-owned and operated business. And very proud of it.
Planning on making the Sunrise Cafe an employee-owned business. Employee ownership means a company's employees own the shares or the value of shares in their company, and not the public or a singular owner. Some of the bigger businesses around town that are employee-owned are Franklin Building Supply, Commercial Tire, who very recently made that change, and Winco. But does employee ownership really help with hiring and retaining employees? Well, according to a study from Rutgers, yes. Keep in mind, the workforce shortage started before the pandemic, but during the pandemic, this study showed that employee-owned businesses retained jobs better than other businesses 4-to-1. They also maintained their hours and pay better by a rate of 2-to-1. Godsill says, though, beyond helping the business, employee ownership can also be a way to thank those employees who helped Sunrise Cafe get through 2 or 3 recessions and the pandemic.
And so hopefully in the next couple of years, we can make this all happen, and they can see that all the hard work and everything that they've done for their staff, for their community, is really paid off, and they can actually have that opportunity that they may not else have had.
So employee ownership, just one significant way businesses are trying to attract and retain workers. But there's a big chunk of people out there who left the workforce because they don't want to work and don't need to work, which is helping to drive the whole workforce shortage across all industries. Who are those people? We'll tell you tomorrow.